In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email campaign in Sendgrid. We'll walk through creating a simple one-time email send, often called a single send, using the built-in tools inside your Sendgrid dashboard. By the end, you'll know exactly how to choose a template, set up your settings, design your email, and get it ready to send to your audience. First, log into your Sendgrid account and look at the menu on the left side of the screen. In that sidebar, click on the option labeled Marketing. This is where Sendgrid keeps all of the tools related to campaigns, contacts, and email designs, so think of it as your main workspace for marketing emails. Once you're in the marketing section, look for Single Sends and click on it. Single sends are perfect for one-off announcements, newsletters, or promotions that you don't need to automate. In the top right corner of this page, you'll see a button that says Create Single Send. Go ahead and click that to start setting up a brand new email. Next, you'll be asked to pick a template. Here, you can choose from a pre-built Sendgrid design, use one of your own saved templates, or start from a completely blank template if you prefer full control. If you're just getting started, a pre-built layout can save time and help you stay consistent with spacing and structure. After choosing your template, make sure you select the design editor. This is Sendgrid's visual, drag-and-drop editor that lets you design the email without needing to write any code. It's especially helpful if you want to quickly rearrange sections or test different layouts. Before you dive into the actual content, switch to the Settings tab. Here, you'll configure the key details that control how your email is delivered. First, choose your From Sender. This must be a verified sender address in your account, so select the one you want your recipients to see in their inbox. Then, enter your subject line. Try to keep it clear and relevant, since this is what encourages people to open your email. Next, choose your recipients. You can select one or more lists or use segments if you want to target a specific group, like recent subscribers or engaged users. Take a moment to double-check you're sending to the right audience. Now move back to designing the email. Using the drag-and-drop interface, add and arrange your content blocks, text, images, buttons, and dividers. Adjust the styling so it matches your brand, and make sure your main message and call to action are easy to find and read. When everything looks good and your settings are in place, click Review Details and Send. This final screen is your last chance to confirm the sender, subject line, recipient list, and the email content itself. If everything checks out, you can launch the email immediately, and your single send campaign will go out through Sendgrid.